Check out the lovely cabinets we started with. Sorry we did not keep them. Yeah, no. We removed everything, all the way back to the walls, in some cases back to the studs. Once everything was removed, we went back to the drawing board and started all over. Hang around and see where we are now. Okay, let's take a walk into the kitchen and see where we are today. Back up and see our front door here. And a flashback to what it looked like before. And we now have a true doorbell. I didn't take a picture of this door before we took it down, but this is the door from the basement and we replaced it with this one here. So we made a little bit of a change. I think it's for the better.
If you're okay with doing the blowing.
Well, evidently I had to wash it, so I might as well do the blowing.
I hear him. He's saying I'm doing all the work today.
Another improvement we did was the border. So after we got it all glued up there and put up, we also added the doors to the closets. We stripped them down and took that beautiful brown paint off and replaced it with a nice cream paint. The doors now look brand new. In the stove area, we did a built-in around the microwave and added a backsplash with little diamonds in the back. This was our first time ever doing any tiling. I think it turned out okay. Good enough for everyday work. Also, on the floor here, we had 4 layers of laminate on it. The house was built in the late 50s, so a lot of different floors were put on it. And we found out that heating it up with a heat gun actually helped pull the tile up. We had to knock some holes in the wall to redo the wiring to the outlets of the kitchen, and so we just put up new concrete board and added the tile to it. And again, this was the first time we ever did our tile work, but we enjoy it now. It's looking pretty good, I think. Let me know what you think and what we should have done different down in the comments down there. We had a few side projects, the spice rack and also the splendors of spring sign back there. We made them out of scratch. This was made out of oak, and we also made the end caps to the kitchen cabinets to make them more custom and look like they're built in. Nothing in this house was straight up and down, so it was interesting. It's amazing what you get used to if you don't look at it every day, but this windowsill was just awful. Made you wonder how you put up with it for so long. I made some custom trim pieces out of oak, and it took a few hours to make. But I think it made a world of difference. Thought the ceiling would be one of the easiest things to do, but this ceiling had a lot of problems. The roof had leaked and the cabinets used to go to the ceiling, so they had never been prepped at all. Once you get one spot done, you'll notice 100 others. But now it actually turned out halfway decent. Not my favorite thing to do, working over your head, but at least it's done now. Thank you for joining us on our walkthrough of our remodeled kitchen. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have time, spend it with your family. And I hope we can inspire you to do something new today. We love you, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.